Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I activated ChatGPT Go completely free for 12 months, step by step, starting from the email I received from OpenAI. I'll also explain how the payment works, how the 1 Indian rupee verification is processed, and most importantly, whether deleting the UPI mandate is safe or not. So this is the email I received from ChatGPT. It says, try ChatGPT Go free for 12 months. Unlock image creation, longer memory, extended uploads, and more. So I logged into my ChatGPT account to redeem the offer. I am now on free plan. I went to the upgrade plan section. You can see the 4 available plans, Free, Go, Plus, and Pro, each with different prices and features. They are offering 399 rupees only plan for free. See what this Go plan offers. Go deep on harder questions, or chat longer and upload more content, or make realistic images for your projects, or store more context for smarter replies, or get help with planning and tasks, or explore projects, tasks, and custom GPTs. Right after this, I also receive an email from ChatGPT showing the differences between the free plan and Go plan very clearly. Let me show you that comparison, because it explains exactly what upgrades you get. On the free plan, you only have basic models, limited messages and uploads, slower and limited image generation, limited memory, and limited access to custom GPTs. But on ChatGPT Go, the difference is huge. You get 10 times more messages with GPT-5, or 10 times more file uploads, or 10 times more image creation, or 2 times more memory and context, or full access to projects, tasks, and custom GPTs. Now I'm going to redeem the offer. You can also see the exact offer details. My free plan is valid until the 2nd of December, 2026, and it renews on the 3rd of December, 2026. After that, the normal price will be 399 Indian rupees per month, but the entire 12-month period is 100% free. So I clicked on the upgrade button. ChatGPT started preparing my account, showing messages like, getting your plan ready, unlocking advanced voice, warming up image generation, and so on. On the payment page, the system showed 399 Indian rupees per seat per month, and right below that, the discount, minus 399 Indian rupees. So the final total is 0 Indian rupees. On the right side, you can see my account email and the payment methods available, cards and UPI. I selected UPI as the payment method. Then I entered my UPI ID, and then entered my name, then billing address, accepted the terms and conditions. After this, clicked on subscribe button. It showed, processing. Please authenticate this payment in your UPI app. I open my UPI app and approve the request. This step is just a verification, usually 1 Indian rupee, and it's refundable. I had approved the payment on my UPI app. Here is the screenshot of payment, and also see an autopay is generated, which can be cancelled at any time. This mandate is only for future renewals. It does not charge anything right now. After this system took some time to process the payment and to activate the Go plan. And now you can see the message. You are now subscribed to ChatGPT Go. My account immediately unlocked the Go features. Now here's the most important question. If you delete the mandate, will the subscription stop? The answer is no. And I verified this fully inside my billing section. Inside billing, my plan shows 0 rupees until the 4th of December, 2026, so deleting the mandate will only stop any automatic renewal in 2026. It does not cancel your current Go plan. Now I will show how I deleted the UPI mandate. This is the mandate created while paying for subscription. At the bottom you will see Delete Autopay option. Clicked on the button, it asked for confirmation to delete autopay option. Just clicked on confirm. It's shown the deletion is in progress. Immediately, it's shown the autopay is deleted successfully. That's it. This is the complete step-by-step activation of ChatGPT Go using the free 12-month offer, including payment verification and deleting the mandate safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want more videos on AI tools, WordPress, hosting, and blogging tips, Stay tuned.